brings. Got the liquid roof, liquid magic catalyst. Got Jacob popping out the bin. Feeling good about it. I'm gonna get my rest ready. Now, I'm gonna most likely roll it on, paint it on around the edges. My new brush here. Nice wood boy. So that's going. Here, put this in there. Mix it. Yeah. And when we mix it, we want it to be a nice,
nice
really handy. Everywhere. Before I pour that in.
It's like churning butter. I remember the day. Churning butter.
Now when we do it, we want it to be in the middle and pour a roux effect so it just spills right in and mixes throughout, you know?
That shit splashed on me on these fucking picks.
Pull down more.
Down?
Yeah. We'll mix for a good like 10 minutes too. Alright, every drop counts, baby. Yeah. Make sure you wear gloves, which I didn't. My shit's all fucked up and stained. Hopefully I can laugh about it later on. Looks a little cracked, might be vented. Got the roof coated real nice and thick. I'm gonna lay 2 coats on there, just to be sure. But yeah, that's her. I'll pull this shit off. Getting dark out here. I just did around all edges around the whole side. All the edges. I got about a little 1/3 of a can left. And it's looking pretty good. Cat think proofs. But I'm gonna try to save this by freezing it. So I'm gonna need to find a big ass container. Because I want to, once that dries, I want to throw more on there and squeegee it and more around the vents. So I'm going to try my best to clean up real fast. Got my girl chilling over here. I'm packing up everything because I think I'm going to have to leave it dry overnight before I put the second coat on, because I really want to put a second coat on. Bugs and shit are dying in it. And yeah, once that goes on, I can freaking yeah, once it goes on, I feel a lot better. But yeah, I'm about to try to get my hands cleaned off. Thank God for the gasoline. I mean, it ain't perfect, but I bet it's cleaned up a lot. Putting all my stuff in here. And I'm getting ready to clean up. Because pretty much done for today. We start this bad boy up and back it off the back it off these chucks that I'm on. Alright guys, this is the day after. This is 2 days after, actually. 2 days after I put the epdm on. This is the tarp. I had to tarp it off because yesterday we had like a half hour, this littlest bit of rain. And as you all know, my roof puddles just under this window. And oh man, it smells like straight chemical in here. We have this tarp on here. I got my brother to put it on while I was at work yesterday. But the roof pretty much dried before we put it on. That dirt there's from the tarp, and the roof was dry pretty much before we tarped it off. I tarped it off because my vents still haven't arrived. They should be here. There's a little bit of rot that was forming in here. This beam's good right here. You know, it's good. It gets a little shitty. It's pretty good over here. It gets shitty in this corner. I could rip it out and replace it, but I'm not fucking with it, man. I'm not ripping up this ceiling or anything. So future owner, anybody that sees this, I'm pretty much gonna own it forever. But if it really bothers you, you know, you can do it yourself. We're taking this bad boy to my brother's girl's house, literally right up the block. I mean, she literally lives like 2 blocks up the road. I don't got tags or nothing on it. I didn't let that stop me from, you know, working in a shitty spot. laying some butyl tape. Got my mineral spirits. I laid that self-slapping sealant right there. And boy, did that really come out good. I might lay a little more in this corner. Glob it over there a little bit better. I gotta get a cap for there eventually, but just wanted to show you. Right now I'm just laying this butyl inside. Got my big strip of butyl tape. I'll put this bitch on. Got it nice and sealed. I got some of this liquid epdm saved. I'm gonna go back over it once it cures in 2 days, so it's perfect. I'm never gonna mess with it again. Gotta get this one.
I'm gonna lie. This fucking drill bit doesn't match this screw, but I'm making it happen.
No, I'm always working with like no shoes or sandals and shit.
Hell yeah, that's a number 3 bit. He ain't playing. Check that. It's like a stripped out bit.
You go store the dog. Please, no shoes. Done by my gorgeous girl. Jake up here, waiting for my bro. Jake got his shoes off. Got some asparagus cooking right here. Got the setup, got the little fire. Dad's truck with the wood. We're set up back here, man. Generator ran in the back. We ain't playing no games, guys. That's how we do it real big. Fire burn, man. Yeah, look at this shit, cuz. We got motherfucking chicken and shit defrosting, man. That's how we do it. Yeah! We're having a scream contest out there. I don't know what the hell. Hats on back. We got Jake here. Nice something. Look at this, man. This shit is so beautiful. We got all my lights working. We got a TV over here, man. Look at this big, man. Yo, Nelly ain't got shit on us.
Nice soon, and I'll move into the groove. I got a couple pounds and I'm a smoke share. Real fucking root, now follow me now. Some raw dogs in the pound, gotta put it down with a fucking brown, put it in the butt, put it up.
Yeah, well, we got the GoPro, guys. My baby girl up there, gotta light it up. Woo! Nice fire and shit. That's the setup, baby boys. Jake approves. I'm talking to my baby boys a lot, bro. Yeah. Especially you. Well, I got a girl now, so I gotta talk to my fellas out there. You know, inspire y'all. Y'all gotta get the camper. You know, you get the girl, and then you get the freedom to go to festivals and just stuff, you know. Yo. This is Captain Dean, yo. Dean.
We gotta go get to the plane, dude. It's over there. Come on.
We're out.
Oh, you're having fun.
Look at Brian.
You having fun, Brian?
I'm having a good time.
I gotta get this arm, man. That shit looks cool. Yeah, I want to wrap my whole camper in that. Yeah, that'd be cool as shit. Oh shit, it's a dinosaur. That is too funny.
Oh, baby. The way you shake it, I can't believe it. I ain't never seen a ass like that. The way you move it, you make my PB go doing, doing, doing.